Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Trading with Certainty. Unleash your trading instinct to the moon. Price prediction, $1 Doge. Is it possible? I don't know. Let's dive into this video. Let's take a look at what it's doing. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm doing this for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm giving you my perception from where the price I think will go from my gap trading and short selling fundamentals that I do. I use that for all of the securities that I trade. It's my lighthouse. It guides me on how to manage my risk and all that good stuff. So let's jump into the charts, shall we? There we have it. Doge on the docket. What a stellar day. It was up at one point 40% at around 33 cents. It's pulled back to 30 cents. And what really pops, off the chart right now is this ascending triangle, or not ascending triangle, but a triangle here that has shaped up a consolidation pattern, right, from, this huge move up, right, a pullback, which is, in my opinion, is a bull flag pattern. If you look at it on a macro level, followed by a consolidation. And what normally happens is a continuation after that. So if we take a look at past pumps from Doge, right, the past the past rhymes. You can take a look at what has happened to figure out what is going to happen next. So if we take a look at price range, right, so if we do this was a 1,300% move. Okay, what about over here? This was a 1,100% move. Okay. What about here? This was a 300% move. And if we look at here, this was a 150% move down here. So we're looking at between 150 to 1,000% move on Doge. So if we look at this, if we do a, we'll use the bottom here. We've been using the bottom. So if we're looking for, 100% is here, okay, which is roughly 34 cents, which we hit today as a, we tested that 100% move from the bottom here already today, which is good. The market likes to test previous areas of, resistance and support. And if we take a look at what does 1,000% move look like from here, we are looking at $1.16. So anywhere in between that is, my prediction for Doge is, retesting the highs is definitely a possibility. So 70 cents is in the cards, I would say at a minimum, and then all the way up to $1.20 as a target. Pulling profits is always recommended on the way up. So this is where you would want to pull profit if you've been in this. Some profit, maybe not all, but some profit if you've been in this for quite some time. And why is that? Because we're finally breaking out of this triangle. As you can see, this is definitely a breakup candle that we're experiencing here. Could we just, this happens all the time, and we just turn around, then we keep going sideways some more. That's a possibility. So if you miss, if you're FOMO a little bit, be patient. You might get a pullback here and test this low of the breakup candle. The market likes to do that. So at any point, this is not financial advice. This is just trading education. What traders do is they get in at the low of breakup candles, or they short at the breakup candles. And we can see that these areas, look at that, previous highs here line up perfect. So there was some resistance there. That's why you had a pullback. So we're going to have to burst through that. Is it going to happen today? Tomorrow, day after? I don't know. It may take some time. You can see that, it's not moving as fast as some other ones. It's a bit of a lagger, but this is an indication that we could see some follow through here, and the reason being is if we look at this, right? People made monster gains on the Shiba coin, which is another meme coin. Doge is the, this was called the Shib. It was the Doge killer. So people may be looking at Doge and saying, well, maybe Doge could do the same thing. I missed out on this huge gainer. Well, maybe Doge will do that huge gainer. And maybe people who made a bunch of money here are going to go and put some money in Doge. This is just pure speculation, but it is definitely possible. Or look at other meme coins, right? Too, because they are seeing these mad gains. People start FOMOing, and then that's how these altcoins get pumped hard, and then they dump hard as well. Obviously, the Doge and Shiba are some of the better meme coins. But that's where we're expecting. And if you stayed this long in the video, I do want to share one last piece of information. Doge on the moon, and this is there is an article. I think this is it. But they will be launching Doge to the moon in the first quarter of 2022. So if you are a holder, you may want to hold out till the first quarter of 2022 for some even madder gains, right? Diamond hands all the way. Let's go. We can see maybe Doge at $2-3, maybe. I don't know. This is obviously going to make news. People are going to be aware of it. So just stay tuned if you want to keep being updated on Doge and this particular news event. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.